Hello everybody. What you're looking at here is the please connect now for the internet sign. This is in the Nova software. This is a message that appears after 7 days being offline. On the 6th day it normally gives you this message. First thing you need to do is close out. Then you're going to right click on the iStep icon. Then you're going to select open file location. Normally, if it doesn't matter the language, just go by the icons. It's pretty easy to figure out. Now, once you're in the file location, you're going to see a directory with a lot of items here. You're going to look for a folder titled config. You're just going to scroll up to it or down to it depending, and then open it like so. You're going to see a couple of XML files in there. What you're interested in is ClientConfig. You're going to right click on it and select edit, or if you're in Windows 11 you're going to open with either notepad or wordpad. Once there, you're going to see the XML file's contents, just like you're going to see here in a moment. Ready, set, go. Now, you're going to do Ctrl F. That's going to open a find window. I normally type CHK because it brings me close to where I want to be on the file. You're going to see a couple of tabs just above it that have to do with days online or days offline. You're going to change the 6 and 7 days that are listed there into whatever number of days you want. I chose 2,000 days. The result is when you exit the program and save, now the program, if you're offline, it's not going to give you that problem for about 2,000 days. And when that happens again, you just go into the folder and you make a change. You can change it to a lower number, higher number, it does not matter. Now, once you're on the desktop, you're going to open the iStep program. It's going to load and give it a moment. Now, if you're already connected and the scanner is on, you're good to go. You're going to be able to scan. But if you are not connected or if the scanner is turned off, you are going to get this error reading. That's not a big deal. All you have to do is just reconnect or turn it on. You don't even have to exit the program. That's it.